Tension gauge for bobbin cases. It is a vital management process to ensure that the tension of the top and bobbin thread remains balanced, as this will directly affect overall quality of the product. Many of the newer sewing machine models can self-regulate the top thread, but the bobbin thread must be adjusted by the operator of the machine each time. Proper adjustment of thread tension when in the hook is very important, particularly in bobbin cases equipped with the NBL spring. Therefore, it is necessary to use a tension gauge for bobbin cases, which can digitize the thread tension in the hook. Here, we will demonstrate a simple way to use the tension gauge. Please refer to the instruction manual for more detailed instructions. First, please turn it on and change the indicator to MN or GF. Place the threaded bobbin into the bobbin case. Pull the bobbin thread and set it. Feed the bobbin thread through the pulley mechanism and pull on it at a steady speed. Adjust the tension by turning the adjustment screw. The adjustment process is the same for analog models. Understanding the thread tension of the bobbin case enables you to recreate the best thread condition equal to that of the top thread anytime, and allows you to produce with consistent quality.